In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an annual plan in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, head to the top left corner of your Monday.com workspace. There, you'll see an Add button that looks like a plus sign. Click that button, and from the drop-down options, select Choose from Templates. This will take you to the Template Center, where you can explore various planning layouts. Now, in the Template Center, you'll find a search bar. It's a great tool to narrow down your options quickly. Type in keywords like annual plan or strategic roadmap. Utilizing these specific keywords is crucial because they lead you to templates that are designed for long-term planning. This means you won't be distracted by templates meant for daily tasks, making your search more efficient. Once you have your results, it's time to choose a specific template type. There are generally two strong options to focus on. If your goal is to plan specific releases, features, or updates throughout the year, the product roadmap template is the best fit. Alternatively, if you're considering a broader approach focusing on high-level company goals, department initiatives, or key milestones, the organizational plan might suit your needs better. After you've picked a template type, click on it to preview its structure. It's important to look closely at how the template is organized. You should seek out layouts that are already divided into quarters, labeled as Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, or even trimesters if that better suits your planning style. This will give you a clearer overview of how to store and visualize your goals. Once you've found a layout that aligns with your planning needs, go ahead and click the Use Template button. This action will generate a board that uses the template's pre-structured time periods, which saves you a lot of setup time. Now, it's time to customize your year. The generated board will have designated spaces for each quarter, making it easy to slot in your specific goals, projects, and milestones. Take your time to thoughtfully add your plans into the corresponding quarter groups. Doing this will help you keep track of your objectives and provide a roadmap for your team. Remember, the key to a successful annual plan is to be as precise and detailed as possible. The more focused you are in your planning stage, the smoother the execution will be throughout the year. I highly recommend revisiting this plan regularly. Set aside time, perhaps monthly or quarterly, to review your progress and make adjustments as needed. This iterative approach will not only keep you on track, but also help you remain flexible to accommodate any unexpected developments that may arise. So there you have it. You now know how to create an effective annual plan in Monday.com. If you take these steps and personalize them to fit your organization's needs, you'll be well on your way to a productive year ahead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like